Today I am on a zucchini baking roll. I just made chocolate zucchini bread, but I'm gonna make chocolate zucchini muffins now. So I did not wash anything. This is how you save time when you're doing baking for several days. First thing I have is my oil. Yes, I store it in a pancake bottle because it sits easier down here in my drawer. And then we've got sugar. And my vanilla. And my flour. And my baking soda. Baking powder. And my cocoa. And my salt. And my mini chocolate chips. Now, it calls for chocolate chunks, but I use the mini chocolate chips because instead of using 1 1/4 cups of chocolate chunks, I just use a 1/2 cup of the mini. Just like 1/2 cup plus maybe a tablespoon, just a bit more. Okay, then my zucchini. Have my glove here. Now, why do you drain some zucchini but you don't other zucchini? Because it's the amount of water and it changes the moisture level in your baked goods. So that's why some call for drained zucchini and some call for not drained zucchini. Or undrained zucchini, I guess I should have said. All right, now that's why I don't normally do this with it in there, but I'm getting ready to wash, so that is fine. Okay, so now that is not wet enough. All right, so now, just so you guys know, this is a recipe test. So I am going to add an egg. And a little bit of milk. Now, they say in this recipe that you don't need it, but my goodness, this is way too dry. I've never seen a muffin recipe that dry. So I'm going to change it. There, that is a much better consistency. Clean up my mess and then I will put it in the muffin tins. Okay, I wanted to make these as jumbo muffins, but all I've got is 4 jumbo muffin things left, so I'm just going to do 4 because I want to see what it looks like. All right, and now we're going to put this in the oven and bake it.
Oh, there's my noodles.
All right, and there is our double chocolate zucchini muffins. Yum. And there's the jumbo ones right there. Okay, test this one.
Got me
Let's see
taking a
what
bite out of it.
Uncle Dave's favorite.
I don't know who did.
I'm gonna make Uncle Dave's favorite cookie for you and see if you want
Double
it.
chocolate zucchini muffins.
Mm-hmm.